Hi, welcome to Bonita's Kitchen and thank you for joining us. I'm excited today to share with you the release of our new cookbook called A Little Taste of Home. Our new cookbook that I'm displaying here today is published by Boulder Books Limited right here in Newfoundland and Labrador. During the pandemic, starting in April, we started working on our cookbook and we provided 50 delicious baking recipes. The ingredients listed is simple. You will have most of these ingredients in your kitchen cupboards already. The cookbook is designed to help the new baker get started, and it also got lots of treats and tips for the more experienced baker. This is the cover of our new recipe book, which is A Little Taste of Home. My recipes are designed to be accessible and straightforward. From front to back, we have clear recipes and full-colored food photos with Bonita's Kitchen's tips to help you get started. We will also share with you the links to access our new cookbook, A Little Taste of Home, at the bottom of this video or within the video. So sit back now and make yourself a cup of tea. I'm going to make one of our recipes that's featured here in our new cookbook called Date Nut Loaf. So let's get started. So like I was saying, this is the recipe we're going to make today from our new cookbook. So let's get started. Medium saucepan on a nice medium heat. We're going to start with our dates. You can have the loose or the block. We're going to use brown sugar. We're going to use some water. Half a cup of butter or margarine. And our allspice and cloves all in together. Let's get this boiling. So while our dates is cooking there for about 10 to 15 minutes, we'll start with our all-purpose flour, our baking powder, and sea salt. And we're gonna sift this together. So just sift it all in like that until you get all of these lumps out. After you see everything is all combined together and the dates is starting to soften, 10 to 15 minutes, then you're going to remove it from the heat. So what I'm going to do now is pour all of that mixture into a big glass bowl. So after you've poured it out into your glass bowl, just let it rest for just a couple of minutes there, just to take some of that heat off there. But in the meantime, we're going to be putting in some baking soda, sorry about that, to a 1/4 cup of water. And just stir that in there. And what we're going to do now is toss it in with our date mixture. You see that the baking soda is starting to make that mixture frizz a little tiny bit. Now you're going to just stir that in like that. Now you're going to mix in all of the flour and the ingredients that you sifted a little while ago, and just keep mixing it in until it's all combined. Just mix that around and then put in your chopped nuts. And this could be nuts of choice. And if you're allergic to that, you could leave it out altogether and just have a date loaf and not a date nut loaf. I know that's all you need to do there. So after you've put all of those ingredients together, you need a loaf pan with it already buttered. Butter it or put a little bit of oil and scrape your batter into the pan. And just scrape all of that batter into your loaf pan. And that's all you need to do there. So after you've done that, all you need to do is preheat your oven now to 400 degrees of heat Fahrenheit for 40 minutes to 1 hour, depending on your oven. And if you wish, you can put some extra date on the top of your date nut loaf and some extra nuts. So what I'm going to do now is put this into the oven and take out the one that I already got baked. Okay, so now the one that we already got baked is ready, and what you need to do is when you take it out of the oven, you want to let it cool a little tiny bit, just to get it to cool down just a little, and then pop it out of your pan like that. Now, big reveal, absolutely amazing smell in here, and it's nice and baked. I'm gonna flip it over now onto my tray, let it cool down just a little, and then I'm going to cut into it. Now this is our delicious date nut loaf, and the recipe is in our new cookbook, and again I'm going to share those links with you. I'm going to cut into it now and show you what it looks like on the inside. Smells absolutely amazing in here, and it's still hot. If you wait even until it cools down a little bit, it'd be nice as well, but I like it with a little bit of butter on it, and that makes it taste so good. So I'm going to put that piece right there and pour myself a cup of tea. So now what's so lovely about this recipe, you can leave it hot or you could have it cold and serve it any time. And of course I can show you a little closer if you want to see the nice texture. And this is what this one looks like on the inside, and if you want more dates and leaving them full, it'll be lots of dates there. Absolutely delicious. So this is just one of the recipes that's available in our new cookbook, A Little Taste of Home, published by Boulder Books here in Newfoundland and Labrador. So you can also, if you want to know more about it, you can send me a message on www.bonitaskitchen.com, our Facebook page. You can also visit us on YouTube. I'll share the links down below this video. Thank you each and every one of you for stopping by and watching us make our date nut loaf today, and the release of our new cookbook called A Little Taste of Home. And again, it's published by Boulder Books Limited here in Newfoundland and Labrador. So from our kitchen to yours, thank you again for joining us, and you have a wonderful day.
Join us by the sea. Journey in culinary, always on open door. Bonita's kitchen to yours. Bonita's kitchen, to yours.